Good morning. It's April 9th, the day after Passover, which went well. It's 7:30. We got some orders during the night. On eBay, on our main store, we sold 6 items, and on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled we sold 18. So my plan for today is to list some items on eBay as usual, as we do on a daily basis, and also list some more merchant fulfilling items on Amazon. We have a lot of books, DVDs and CDs that we can list, so I'll probably try to do that. And that's it. I'm gonna go pack eBay orders in a few minutes after I'm done listing some stuff on eBay. So I pulled all the orders. Nothing much today, but any sale is a good sale, right? Lego Movie, I think we got it one of the auctions. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it sold for $43. $43, and I didn't pay much, that's for sure. Sold those pants. We rarely do any kind of clothing. Those were with stains, and somebody bought it because Patagonia is a really nice clothing brand. They bring a lot of money, so I just picked it up, and then I saw it has stains, so I sold it for really cheap. Nike shoes, I did some retail arbitrage and got those for, I think it was 20 or 15, and it sold for 50. Not the best flip, but I had other shoes that sold really well on Amazon also, and those those shoes was gated on, so I couldn't sell them on Amazon. So I just trying to get my money back off of eBay, basically. Ink, they go really well, and although this one took a long time to sell, but this one I got it for $1 or $2, and it sold for $25. Harry Potter mini figurines. I don't know if you can see them pretty well. Those are really cool. Metal figs. So they have two kinds of figurines, pack A and pack B. I got them both. I got like 20 of those, 20 sets of 2. We got them at one of the auctions. I think we paid less than $1 for 2 units, for two of them. So this one cost less than 50 cents, and it sold for not a lot of money, but sold for $8.50, like $1 or $2. And lastly, Pokemon, I don't know what it is, like a trading card set. I have the Meow and Meow 2. It comes with a pin. It's really nice if you're into Pokemon. This is gonna be first class, and it sold for $32.50. Don't remember how much I paid for it. but I made at least $10 net profit. I'll net at least $10, that's for sure. So that's it for now. I'm gonna pull all the DVDs I sold on Amazon Merchant Fulfill later. No change in the order so far. Still, it's not 18, it's 17 because I have one order to cancel. The one that got listed twice. So that's it. I'm gonna pack this and that's it. So I sold another thing that I already packed. It was really easy. Just a fish tank decoration, and I listed 118 more Merchant Fulfill items. So we'll see how it goes. So I have been listing some more CDs, and I found a place for them, sort of. More Merchant Fulfilled CDs, 90 CDs from the batch I went through a few days ago. This was the pile for actually for FBA, but if there's no FBA shipping, so I'll just Merchant Fulfill them and see how it goes. Also, we sold, that was pending, we sold this. It's Star Wars Trilogy on VHS. We sold it for $20, free shipping. And we also sold this for $39 and $10 shipping. This is a Polaroid slide printer, so that's interesting. This we got, both of those items we got in one of our estate sales. We paid really like a few bucks for this one, and for the VHS one we got it from the business lady friend we have. That's the same place we sold the same place we found the Power Rangers VHS that we sold a couple of days ago. So I'm gonna go grab them and pack them, and then I'm gonna go grab some Merchant Fulfill orders from Amazon and pack them also. I have a mini setup. I cut some cardboard, I have some bubble wrap and mailers to pack all the DVDs. So I'll see how it goes. I finished packing the Star Wars VHS tapes, adding it to the pile, and I'm about to pack the slide printer. And we sold another thing while I was packing. This is a desktop light box, open box if I remember correctly. Sold it for $32 and $15 shipping. So I'm gonna grab this and pack it also. We paid again less than a few dollars for this unit. We got it off of the business lady friend that does the house content cleanouts. Yep. So we keep selling those stuff and keep making money, even though it's not a lot of money, $32, but it's gonna be pretty easy to pack and ship, so shouldn't be any problem. So I'm gonna pack this. So I'm done packing. Wasn't the greatest fun, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So about 20 orders going out, so I'm gonna go and print the shipping labels. So everything is ready to go. All the shipping labels are ready to go, and I'm ready to go also. It's 4 p.m. I've been listing some Merchant Fulfill stuff on Amazon, on eBay, a few stuff, not too much, like 3 or 4 items in each store. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go and spend the rest of the day with the family after I'm going to drop this at the post office. So thank you guys. See you on the next one.